mathina ma kiliko twalite kwikata kwikithikana ni twesuviana na mathina ma kiliko ni nothocha na moko ili twambie kwambie oyu nyeva mwendoni wa saa 3 tumanithie na ninawe kwacha kana no kwacha kindu nye ni Betty wa Mwania. Karibu sana kethia musesi wa Mutongo TV motoi masito maku na wikata.
Ni mubea muno Betty ni tawa Masimwe Kali wa Muthami nye ni the wa clinical psychologist kana daktari wa kiliko.
Yani mutaalamu wa maundu ma mathina ma kiliko.
Exactly.
Ila tunene ayulua wima wa kiliko. Kune kuasiata
wima wa kiliko. I think tuo ditotanganya ketongo na kekamba ovanini. Wima wa kiliko kwa ethano nigwete na ketongo, it's how healthy your mind and your emotions are. In short, kiliko kyaku ni kiima ata. Ila wina kiliko kiima onola wakwatone mathina notonya ku deal na moka na kumavitila neta utena challenges bingi. Yeah, so basically uni tonya kwasia wima wa kiliko.
Yani undu utona ku handle situations.
Yes.
Undu utona ndoka ose decision ndoku. Kuni kuona kana kiliko chako kisawa.
Yes.
Okay. Mo mathina ma kiliko nitameva.
Mathina ma kiliko ni mengi na twithwana simple mathina normal nundu wite maisha mani ma challenges metha motitwe na challenges oyitwe bana huko ni wesimo kana mwithukesi huko ni wasima kwa mwana waku ni mwa for example ethane musiai kana ethane mwana ukwewa ni wa fail mutiani ndole yako iwa nai na ku affectiwa kiliko kyako. It's in short not lot atani na stress kuma thina ni mengi ni simple na angemethe wa difficult kono twambe kuma normal stress life na tuthi kwila extreme cases balo tunakuga mundu maybe ena ta uwaweta wa schizophrenia maybe ena depression sindu taisu kwethe mundu no kuthi sibitale kunya ndawa but mathina makigileko ikendo normal ikendo tu ni maundu la tobetela o muthenya.
Utonyo manyata kana mundu ana mathina makileko.
Haya ni very easy. Ola nasiai challenges siebo ni normal. Lakini mathina ma kiliko mauka makwethe wa complicated ila we symptoms sie kala muno. For example, tainge mundu ni usia twasie tamusia hii kana mundu wendete wabakube kana ulusi wea kana una ufail mutiani. Mundu normal akamanya nina fail mutiani next semester ninguthi ni maybe ni manze mwalimu alafu nike mutiani ongini nego mutiani ongini ke kana nike biti but andu ange ukona yu imakunika muno mundu sundoe ndokila ndekoma nesta for example kana ethano kukoma muno etha mundu suni wendete kunena na marafiki kana kuthi out sokoni kweka normal things ndakwenda kuthi enda kweka lebinge nyumbani andu angine mongela mubaka weight angemo mo lose weight mo punguza kwethe wana symptoms kwethe mundu ndesa ona kwa mosisio kwethe ndesa ndakwenda maundu mengi andu ange makwambia kutumia drugs ethani kunywa ni mambe onyo muno moli kavangine na sindu ingimbinge ku enyewe buyu kuona yu mundu no yukileko kyake kesawa ke healthy. Yes.
Andu ange mona kula kuibingia ate kwenda the out maybe mundu osiasa nyini introvert. So ti introvert be kindu kina thina wokilikone kwake
naturally kwithwana introverts be mundu naturally ni introvert lakini twasie we Betty of course career no yaku maybe wewe mundu maybe outgoing I'm just nikuguess na guess lakini be wakuneka ni kindu either wa lose where ukwethe you're no longer interested ona simo sia marafiki maku dosa kanisani ndwenda kuthamba ndodhamba kuya ndoya kanethia no ya inge makwambio ya liu mwinge excess they eat, they are always eating ikenda matulize stress itu kwitha mundu gwe sawa you abo ibo betheana thina
aya sio mundu akwatwo ni mathina ma kiliko no ongele weight ukaneneva lakini muno na alama kita umosa
be alama kita umosa nondo aku overthink na kuleo ya leu na maybe kuleo kwa manesa lakini be angema adia weight na moko makwethe amenda kutinda makomete mena energy me kuigwa maumala mena yani me sawa
insomnia kukosa tono ni wona ni wakana mundu uno tona kwithwa kiliko chake kite sawa.
Yes, lakini in mental health ikenda tuketwasie beti dwe sawa ni lazima tunenanie ni manyei to woye wowanike no mbelewa nondo tunakwenda maybe to maybe you're pregnant kana maybe you're excited lakini tuke no trust okay waambia kwani natiwe ni mwendo wako boyfriend wako nuna ndio koma for how many days kunenya ni normal as you process what happened lakini ethando koma for example for 3 weeks mondo kwa ndia ndibingete medho for 3 weeks after what happened okoya maybe na avalukia mutiani kana nina lose ewea na nditonya ukoma now that is when you understand that wena thina wa kiliko
nena tanena thina wa kiliko nine ndo ndetheta mutaalamu ta psychologist wa mino salo jasa kenda paingo kulalia na ndubaiki ndo soania uko tu
ukomie sasa yana ikenda ukileta
wako masainya kaena saitano kana sainyo kama sasta na baisa agenda ni wasalo jara ndo igwato in mind mwendo koma but you can't
for how long
like 3 months 4 months
and after that ukoma after sasa yana
labda kuyoko chao kendo 5
no natango nenge number ikenda tunenanie but could be it's normal nondo ethando na stress ndo fikiria beke ndo kyo kutumbwa maybe it's sleep patterns chako maybe twasia tainge ethe ukomie tainya no uta tyo koma taitano ikenda onekana no push at least to 5 am
uwezo naona kwa nina thina wa kileko
ndwena guo nondo thina wa kileko ndwethwa na symptom imwe wethwa na symptoms bingi and we normally use itotomea ebu kugeta wa ku diagnose tukwethe itokuona ethia beti ena aenda bia ena mathina nana no mitete itu criteria like ikweli othi otita ti ndotonya kwa sai kwethia ndio koma neta ati koune na mental illness apana no baka tweka lenze tunene ondabie maisha mako mailiata and then you can go tabia yes we nothing no akileko a b c d
nesa ndo ingi mona mathina ma kileko labda mona mundu wanduka masa onda kileko chake kivisa wa mateo manakana even a normal person
yes
from the way uko behave kana maondo mende kumwapenya mundu sena mathina ma kileko na mundu atono manata we kweli pe bandu bena bandu kana no waenda kwa mutaalamu kana no waenda hospitali
yune kulesio kwanza the nambia na kukuya ando mona mundu ena mathina makileko kana kuigwa ai usuno na tabitwa ina depression utuno wayendoka it's not like that mathina makileko ulana akotabia ni normal from small things very small thing no wethe wewe wakoneka we ukwethe wewe wakoneka thayo na ukamanya kana we na stress ukamanya na tabia yaku simple nondo either for example nye Friday kana Saturday kana Sunday nenda kiuma kwitha tuono kila ndina binya kabisa ndina energy yako asia kanithi kiumwa ngaboye na ndo aswange kanae kanithi nga weane bendo mpaka kwithia weane maybe kama masele na mabika weane etha watumiwe email last week kana wanengwa we supervisor kwa kwa beti ekaona nona ndokweka ethi tukulu kwambia kumiss ndokwenda kwigwa kwenda kuthi tukulu so no baka wetise wase ai ikyo kena thina nakwa na etha of course wetike kitu mitwata ando maile kwithia aware of themselves mende ata ubeti uka mbona uyundi kwigwa kukila mbona nyanengi wa assignment mbona nigwa ethani nanyuta kituba kimwe kya taska uyu nendo nywe 10 nenda kuleo ikenda ne sahau mathina mako obo kamanya ula twende ndiende enesa yo kwa mundu akwasia ndiende enesa ba ikindu kyo nzumba ni wavika stage yetu kana maybe other friends maku no mone no maku recommend uthio kone daktari wa akili kana ona na unene na marafiki maku you will know na umanye ndi sawa tola wiwo kwa lwi mutwe kama nyenye bape kindu kete sawa
lakini ano nyimale ni matiko like ni makia kunena na mabeshe nondo ni utafia mathina makwa uende ukaongoete na kumbongelele stress ingi mutwe so ando ingi makia urona matapata alama kia ko share because ando ingi very secretive
iyo kitumi yote nando ta psychologist kwa alani professionals ithie twithe wa under oath ya confidentiality twele kuweta ndito siamo wau ona beti woka wandavya kwendie ndiele kuthi ndiele unena ndito siako ona tainge mabuku ni maito tutumia letters ethewe weto wa beti ona nongwite client ikenda ona mundu okanda kama nye uno ibeti yes na ithe mabuku maito files jitu chethwa yetu neta mundu yote ndatonya ku access lakini ingu understand nondo ukiwata mundu ume for example I'm sorry ando metia anything makwasi anything katapia mundu ndeto siakwa chose ukwa na ndeto siako nondo ndeto isiwesi yangoni anda muthenya mwisho obiki ando mayoga nondo wa stress kana mundu owabio na kiongo kio leo toka normal ko it's okay uthionene na mundu lo kuigwa ni safe ti lazima okay before na otobike bumusie no utonya kuona ndeto siako no asiye nesa na ethando kwi ona no uthi umbaka kwi kanisani kwi pastor kwi ando ala maybe ubeka makanisa methe umbaka na counselors no uthi ukamanenya lakini uona bado do comfortable manza a professional a therapist a psychologist ameka aweta ndeto siako bando you tell them anything and everything and okay so siwa bando
mathina makile kono mamensa usikwa mundu gweso kwatwa maybe ninduka
yes in the extreme cases ngwambe ngotavite mundu nuona mundu for example ni walusta maybe marriage and alama lose marriage mundu egwaye na stress angemenda manza psychologist monena na moka na marafiki na kyo but beala imakuna muno na mundu okuneka muno na yobika mupaka stage yetu ya whether no wendie madhare which is okay na ni wanengwe ndawa and as long as ni wathi wa seek help ando ni mateveka
so a lot wana maybe most cases ni mondo ma marriages mondo ma mesi twase muwethia your wife is cheating ni wako wanya na bandu ba kwamba mwikali andika na kwamba kumana thina pala withia mundu sono muwaiye mundu ucio thambiye kwitha na mathina sutene
withia maundu monze mambe atene na kwa psychology twachake lakini ndo kina history mostly in many cases withia mundu ucio wako kuna maybe whether wa mukali iwakoteta cia iwakongetha cia ciendo ukwithia nde emotionally intelligent ikenda muthenya mokethie ona maybe ona tiko cheat ndona muya leo nesa iwekia munyo mwingi iwongosia and then they mama kokua yes so mondome methe wana history history evo tila na of course yes they are not mentally okay nondo ethe whether mundu or cheat ndo eleni kumua while ni kufollow the procedures ila sivo
can we say mathina makile koni wo
yes mental health ni disease yes kwethwa na mental illnesses they are sorry yes we have mental illnesses
so mundu itha wo
normal but it's normal ta malaria ta homa it's okay to be stressed it's okay kwethwa na anxiety no lando maenda ku point fingers no wathikale kwesu
ndawa yake ni kumantha tu mutaalamu auteje there is no drugs you can take for nini especially wangi makwatwa ni mesilia maingi ukesethia they can't sleep without a pill
it's true yes ndawa ni kunena na tena ethia nivikie vandu maybe ndukoma nduyanesa wivo yukwithwa na psychiatrist wia wo ni wakunengane ndawa ukwithia be ndawa witumia kila muthenya
mathina ma kileko makwata everyone kana be na age na wavika age isu mathina ma kileko mayambia ukwata kana be makwata the age the children.
Okay. In every stage of life it will be different challenges in life. Tayu tukulu nina vengo iwe veka na kana like tukulu maybe kaikala nyomba no kethe maybe ko betela but ke nondo ke na love which support system yo idwa kindu important maybe kakatonya could through that ne easily mavika adolescent siana ino ni siambea munasema wewe na adolescent tiwo no wa no viki adolescent sometimes mambie kuimanya ange no maybe mwana no yewe family it is stable akwithia imbona nyendina dadi ama nyendina mami nukwithia maybe wambia kukwatwa ni stress no kona yubu be na age na we mose wa realize no teo kaambia kunena na mwana wako then wamina sukulu wambia ku hustle no bikie Machakos no bikie lobby ndwena where you see now that's another stage na miaka engi no ukwatwe bado ni stress so generally ndina miaka but adults mono ni tukwata wani stress no ndo hunivo mondo mengi mai ibo we kwa marriage ibo we yani niwe it's you na niwe kila kindu niwe kesiseti yes
peer pressure na jua mundu akatwe mathina makile kondo kona lifestyle ya mundu
muno peer pressure with no tainge no sisa sia ukwithia be andu amwe matethwa assertive no la iwete kwata yes iwete kwata
no
you for example peer pressure ukwithia we na marafiki mako menda tuomuthi maybe Mombasa muskie ndwena masai mako maybe mena mbesa at the end of it all no equal stress ukwithia you're not comfortable kana kwata yes but wata yes kwa circumstances ilo kwiwe mubinye na ukwithia ni wambia kwika mondo alama matakweleka kana kwambia kwe compare ukwasi ai tukulu ono ka skulu nangale kila tine nangale na nye no kana mao kwanza nitembea from main road kana unatuondie na fair you wambia kwe compare of course ne ku affect yao nini mental your mental health ku peer pressure is one of the causes of mental illnesses
amundu atona differentiate normal stress na psychological problems hata
notola nasya normal stress tunenga na example ya mutiani oyuwe wawe na mutiani takomika naoni you will feel your anxiety ningovita kweli nimesomete ni sawa kweli but be mundu ewa na mutiani be mama kwambia otetema exam room makwambia kwethwa even ni makwendro modhikioni often they are not yani kwetha ni extreme na nikiendo continuous kila ibinda nina motiani nyeno mbakani wai be mama kama wa makwetha mesa kabisa hapo sando najuanga kwena thina wivo but normal kwethwa na stress normal kwethwa ukute sawa it's very normal yes
so ni lazima ndo maswanya wanaotoswanya wanakuona peka pena
wanaotoswanya yu beki ndo kete sawa no bakoswani bakokulia uninga umia besa ba na tindi sisi tumatu grow in life tukua lakini you thina we mundu tunya kwethia we na maybe ono you na ngilia na mubuko lakini we ambia obangia 2028 you 2028 ngaya kia now that there is a problem kana 2027 ikia ngaya na nina only ngiligiana twasia it's one day at a time a healthy person either we na leutuo
don't worry about kesho
either we na ngwaya tuo sawa ndukethwa na excess worries so kwethwa na thina kila kindu kethwa excessive excess worry excess stress
and we say ando ingi mena mathina muno because mundu aka umuhundi but is like okay the wakweli ata so ene ola buya so buya ngine weta ema tena maki fear
weta ito anxiety na fear ukwithia nduka koma na yuka koma na wibindeta yumabele ukaua kyao na ntuonu we ne start ku a balanced diet lakini we wona yukwithia ukwithia na ya affect productivity yako ndui sawa
no overthinkers no twasi nimethia kama tena makile kwa mundu ekala kaswania ona siendo
extreme twinene you extreme we mundu otonya kwati sawa inendie inonye beti akotusa lakini be mundu ngiyotonya kwazo na beti yake itengwa ya green niki you know ana overthink kila kitu ana overthink na the more you overthink the more will affect your mental health.
Na unachoka akili.
Na unachoka akili. Na vitu zingine zenye hata una overthink, maybe they're just straightforward. Ni 1 + 1 is 2. But we wenda kwekole, why is this 1 + 1 2? Yeah, it will affect your mental health. Yes.
Social media na modern lifestyle inisi uchangia ndeni wa mental issues.
Yes. Muno. Because ando mengi you may spend time in social media. They are spending time on TikTok. They are you kila kendo ni about internet and social media. And them kendo kila ku watch no kebado, you know, whatever you watch you consume ikokake ku affect at the end of the day. Yes, so ni inachangia kwa sababu na way they and maybe they are comparing themselves na in social media they're back in no matter they are messy whatever ila to ukuona ba it could not be real. Sometimes I post on my socials what I want you to see kila wenda muona ikiongo post modhenyoda na yake very ndiye mo post ya lakini modhenyoda the out na the na 5-star hotel yongo mo post yabu dina na kuwethe ando na wako differentiate ino social media ino real life ukwethia niko ku affect na yeah
like for example kala kele tukana trend mono somebody was recording ite kile tukumebindikana kwa tueni mathina makeleko
mono
no you alama na consume pia na mana affected in a way because they don't cares.
Yeah, they don't care. Yes, of course kama itukuba lakai ona aumelo uandoni the first thing must sindio yule no kuelewa ni mu affect ni affect mpaka asia imako relationships yako na newe okakulwa kasia mayone na family members you know kwa na bube they were family members ona inyake baya ushago no kwa mwitu akunono niola kweka so of course social media ni ku affectando negatively na sometimes positively ina depend wewe unaichukulia aje
and mostly maybe then wa post kendo na kwata matusi mengi uisenga ndo mundu sarona ku handle that situation hata because sometimes ubona mundu ngine wa umangwa na amboko le social media
kwa mundu la wa umangwa sometimes nyeni tonya kutapia mundu tilas moka soma those comments if they are affecting you either bando ndo ready ku deal na those comments so you to na option ya ku deactivate ndo ando kuonza mena more different ando ma kuona maumia stress na kuala ku differentiate kumanya mondo stress okumasia nako at the end of it ukota okay one night makako kwaza ku ethando na utonyi wa ku differentiate ando mobetela mathina menge konza na ando no manene anything no ete wendo kwa na mondo la way on the other side of your tablet like right now ndo ete no so ko type maybe it's even a pseudo account ku no to either we mwene as a person no kona ndo tonya deactivate the comments if you're emotionally mature you can go through the comments because sometimes no ko understand ando mena a lot of things that they are going through na they show wana project through you makwasi ona mbeti ona like ni yeye ndio akona issues sio wewe
yibandi ya Kenya cases mbingi siando mena mathina makile komena depression na ingi nakubikia kuyo wasingi vita muno nicha kitona kwitha kithina wasianga bwiti nando manetha me sawa but oyu there are so many mbingi
okay, nikutsongea into nikurenge two answers. Oyu tita tene life oyu ina challenges different and omenge mena where it's of course depression ti nondo mundo okela kyoko kalo nyomba maybe ndena leo and wema mutegemea family ni kumutegemea huko you life ni chenjete and then again tene maybe tuyamoleka mental health muno mundo maybe akwata wa stress okwatwa stress na maybe tuyomenene ya muno so oyu itumemolekete muno na yu tukumanya this amount of people may na stress abcd yes but oyu kwena challenges binge muno to me the mental health cases here on the rise na pia drugs siekela bandu oyu in the universities. And youth can access drugs at any point. Mundu endani pombe, they are starting taking alcohol, weed, named all those drugs at a very early stage. Of course, hiyo inachangia pia kwa mental health conditions.
No withie mundu ni sawa no tumia pasi drug kana uki but itweka extreme. Ni batoneka mundu uzu kwitha ena thina wa kileko maybe yona anywa maybe niwako mina mathina make ni batonyeka mundu kwitha ena mathina ma kileko
mathina make
tuyasa ni addicted ngi masya I'm addicted
I'm addicted
so ti addiction no methe me mathina ma kileko
yes kwendo ana drug addiction it's webo na kwina ndwangi manyuta sorry ikenda meke kwiwa stress matwanya mekotwanya but molawa at the end of the day oni wokila ithando ibete rent pombe yathela muini wathela muini ukethia nyomba nyo ila itembe rent ithando ena wia wona wathi wanyo ukome obala wikoma oni ukokela with the same person kuti solution
na ti kwitha we
addicts kikendo different. Addicts ni andu ala matatonya kwasia stop to whatever drug that they're taking.
It don't know meta pia no thina.
Ithina wa kileko, it's one of them. Drug addiction, it's one of them. Mondosu ethiani wathiba, for example. Twase when you addict wa we kwithwa na social users wala methipati manyo 2 glasses of wine na makwe beti by inenuka na kwina drug alcohol kama mondula we addicted to alcohol mondosu wayavika pati isu akauma bogila kona the last drop ni avela ata onethiana ulewiwe niwe amejienjoy but bado na mondosu niwende anakunya na mondosu kamwethia Monday Tuesday Wednesday they are depending on that drug. Ona ikenda okele thiwe ya nyomba kama ikata
amba kukua lock
au nye lock na ethia ndokwata ona ukiotua kumia lock ongea sia hii ota kalamu simu ndio satisfy your urge so utuni addict and it's a disease
so nora sema thina ma kileko maukwata twaseta we musie nime kuinterfere with the parenting
yes
pia kithawe muthokomi no ma interfere na productivity ya wia waku
yes
so asimeleta kwitha me very
careful asiai kwanza asiai ma this generation mele kwitha me very keen mele kwitha makwa understand siana sio titaitola twa yeiwe ni twakona wa nini na tutoka oyu na uko ne mwana na nodo drugs na peer pressure si available bea kuona ai kani thingekala na mabeshte amakwa na the more enda kwekala na mabeshte atumake the more wa introduce wakwe drugs ku oyu musiai na elewe mwana wake na kwela mwana wake endete kyao na kwithe ona mwana wake na changes akwa understand changes izitumaba ikenda adil na sio tene nondo tiana nini no kwiwa nisi yoiye ni the more commit suicide just like that na wakuleni kia kwiwa anabalukie motiani nawe abaloka motiane ono tu niwo muisio yeah so asema ile kwethia me very keen and vigilant
na muno asie ni maekie kwithukisya ciana cio ti ile binda yatenda twekalasiwa nthi tukanenywa or you just go wasioka isawa na ndui kule wauma va so asi oyu ni malelete nthini wa kuoya ciana mathina ama kiliko no maite long term issues cia health cia afya
yes nundu wakwata maybe let's say schizophrenia ni wathi tibitali ni wethi wa admit and wa tibitali no anywa dawa on a daily basis no tetheke ukabwa kana ukethia maybe ukanyuta ndawa itu kila muthenya ikenda withewe sawa
your life yonde
yes.
Na ndo tama tonyo kwata utethia wanondu andu aingi uyu maiviesi
ando
maiviesi mundu ale kikalwa kase maybe it's normal. I'm eating a lot, it's normal. I'm not eating maybe we are sending me na thina wakavo ni joke ndeweja
kaboni kambea kwalia solutions ni ati ni very simple nena nando open up kila ubetela ti easy ku open up lakini whether no ona tainge twasia ona even kuboya your spirituality ne kutethe asia kubitila maumala obitila easily so one nena nando nena na ngai nena na mundu ukwiwa close to you na then ukuona andano bado mayoko ku understand uthio buti bitale next kulia tibitale bingi yote the wana counselors makulie bano bena counselor ningwenda kuona counselor uthi unene ndeto zako makaku bangia sessions zako once every week and before you know it in 6 weeks wetawa niwele wala udeal na kindu kyo ubetela easily number 2 physical exercise ekakwe bingia nyumba wina stress uya tembea either no access no kwate gym almost the gym na kutembea na kuweka exercises netumao produce the feel good hormones kwa hivyo inakusaidia yokutedia kudeal na stress the next thing it will encourage andoma ndike either na diary kila muthenya andika tuo muthenya fulani Wednesday nimeshinda hivi neiwao nao the following day journal andika the more you write the more you go process your feelings na the more wendeana ku heal kundu kekalewe weka kabisa talk
na kwa la yuma tena mathe na makiliko na nimekwenda ku avoid kwesovikia bau mekata
mathina makiliko of course ni normal right you vemo ndio kuibilete vemo
nakwenda kwesovikia bale
very extreme yes learn either one habits itu tethia kwethwa physically active journaling talking to people yeah ndoke kubali wethwe na stress for more than 3 days either one ndoke the one you know a problem shared is a problem so yeah ndoke kale we weka all the time learn to talk have friends family support they were very very important a teacher support system ya kuno ona kunitebe rafiki wako kukone atimona dilo kwa nikiwe onena anapona
na pia kedha ni labda ni itindo mbathe let me say that
pardon
itindo mdoko
itindo
you avoid them
you avoid them niwo nasia ila wena stress avoid kutinda othi kunywa avoid kila muthenya na wena stress niwekia 1 glass of whiskey ni wamelia wekala kalenge uni avoid itindo nzoku avoid nondo yubuyu nibothi ulikete vyo
na mathina maende ya kuingiva
yes cool use the best channels kenda wewe sawa
wambe andu akuona kwa rawani no because sasa si ukishazeeka na huyu sima kwa rawani mathina
makileko ima kwa stress for example ethia unovikite miaka 50 siana isiendie town ko manza mbeta anethia mwi town bado at the end of the day tena nisiuma kwako umwe wako atawea kuna ange matwana wei watiwa na mote wako moeli life ti normal hiyo yenyewe ni stressful
kana ambia kuwa buya I might go anytime ndono
no nikwe anytime ukwambia ku regret okay thagela nege monini ineki uno oyindu ethiani gwekala maisha
okay.
Kana umochi wa mwinyoka ina we yuni we mosi we weka siana nisiendie na stage tu bando niyo ethiano ange malusi ya maybe mome wa kwetwa kana kibetiki kwetwa bado hiyo ni stress makwambia kwethwana stress
ese ndo masiando makwa maile kwitha na stress because sasa ni chao kingio kwenda ni wako ye ni wamanthie mali we bumosie so ni ku relax na kwenje kumbe ni methana buya
methana maundu mabindi asia
maybe akita regret I wish ninge kekana siangie siana mbinga
okay ndwithia ni nyoka
kekana oni nasio jini mukuke seria niona kamwe ka oni
no yundisia
no yundi so sia kumbe methana stress by the way
yes
so try to look out pona tita nita yuri mwiso wo okay
ando imakone simo mosie
undili hali asi ni kwithiwa na moni makwasini mwana wakwa na musiye na wendie na talikana
maybe obala ukilie kalanze no timone yekioya lakini gela wege college no ndumie watinda uko na kila mmoja lakini oyinu ando imakolo alasi imakone simo mosie
so musie ise ku avoid kunenga musie mathina makiliko make sure wa mukunia simu make sure wa mwikisio kaskalenda kese kwa sendi mwana wendilo bina olwa ninye masi bino tumani wiba kwi mondola uko fight psychological problems
utumanyula ni nawo ni very simple that is normal na itokwendete ndukete ngeno ndinokwiwa bekindu obetela nena manza mundu tonyonenya nethia no kuona do trust andola meba kubenaku thi kwanda kitali wa maundu makileko makakutethia
labda andu matona ukwata bano isibia andu makwase mwane na biniwe ni iwandie ndo mantha mundu ni motabia mathina makwa ningukionena na marafiki because you know friends are friends they can no mau betray so mnima kwenda mundu matona munenya mundu they can believe and be confident na matona mwekia mayo so malu cha series yo makukwata labda witema ofisi matona kukwata
okay ethia be mundu kwiwa no kwenda utethio no kwenda kunena na kwa namba yakwa ni 0705 002 192 0705 002 192 mango ni asimu ngamba tabe pala tutonyo mkuni mali wanaweza nipata either mail lobby na pia ikwethia na online sessions oyu ninge kwena technology no mu meet online na mukwethwa na session na tunenanya na tusolve kila mwithukesio kubitila
ndeto cia kusia moja kwa mwasisi wa Mutongo TV siva
kwa nambea na kushukuru wako nenge this chance ya kuka kunena na education kana ni wasiaisia ikumaanisha ni mo madhamini na ni mo dhamini their mental health ku my last one see the one need to understand kana mental health it can be very important and mental illnesses they are normal na tueleni ku stigmatize kana kuona ndo atume na stress depression mawatu ma kiakili tamate mena mathina kana
angemone kata outcast
outcast no it's normal na nimu encourage bamusie na nimu encourage musik help ndukekale weweka nduka kile na mathina maku please seek for help ikenda tutethani
Thank you masi ni kwate musesi witu nwapikia na usoma keno kethabe mundu wende kwisila mathinane makile kana mesilia maingi ni watagwa ni masi undu utona kwikane kana kwikithia kana ni watani ciana mathina asu makile kumeke so kwingithia wikatuike muio twike wa kutoa mathare so before itwike extreme kana before iendangi kiwango kingi make sure ni wati ya mwandola watagwa uisianie na mathina makiliko ni muvya mwana musesi anondo kwatiana naito kumala twambiye nginya oyu muthia wa kilungu nyene kwendea usesi mwelu ilungrasi atalia vamo tango etithingwa tanyo ya mukamba nito Beti wa Mwania Tindanesa
ino